Hello guys. Wow. Oh dang. Hello guys, we're here in
Downey.
Zonies.
Wala rin, hindi ko alam.
Ay! Sayang.
Oh, it's Ugaing. Okay.
Ugaing. Get together, labas! Bayad daw pinagkalite ah. Oo. Ayan, mas okay palang ganito. Go.
1, 2, 3.
Ate Small, umayos ka talaga. Diyan siya. Ang dami. Ang taas ate, hindi ko mo. Ako. Lalaki mo. Wala, nandiyan naman si Kuya.
Can we eat while bringing ako?
Yeah.
Tataas ko lang wala. Ay, hagsanda. Ay! Ay! Ineng, picturein mo ako din eh. Nasaan ng red?
Oh, damn! Okay. Wait.
Amaze ka sa mga apple.
Apple farm, Ate Rochi's apple farm.
Canadian yan!
How many acres?
Ay, hindi niya alam.
50.
50 acres. Oh, damn. May letter dun.
Ano letter? Baka makapilok na naman.
May pahag na si
Oh, dang! Hello guys, we're here in
Downey.
Zonies. So, today,
Ate Rochi's farm.
yeah, it's for my friend's farm. Yeah, she's Rochi. Ikaw ba'y nalulungkot? Mabalot pa ng pukot? Maraming hinanakit sa mundo. Sige, kung narito hindi. So, init ang ina.
Wala rin, hindi ko alam.
Para sa picture. Para sa story.
Do it for the story.
Ito story lang.
Oh.
Umimot, dadong pa sa mas mataas para abot mo.
Ay, naku naman, magdagasa pa ako. Ayaw ko magamit ng insurance.
Ay! Sayang. Asan yun? Okay, pinakasiganan mo. Yan.
Oh, cute. One.
Second dash ako.
You don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way.
Hello guys.
Oh, wow.
Welcome to my farm.
This is my friend's farm. Wow.
Oh.
I will make couscous. Oh,
Is it
so sweet
crunchy?
and crunchy. You're right.
Wait, what apple is that?
Oh, this is red apple. Because it's red.
No! Like gala or...
Oh, I'm not sure. What do you think is it? Is it?
But the things that could go wrong along the way to get by with a smile You can win it.
Always fabric conditioner. Ha? Sige na.
Don't stray, don't ever go away.
Oh, bilang ining. Ikikilig ko na. Okay. 1.
Ano ba? On 3.
1, 2, 3. Yan pala naman ang gusto eh.
Be happy?
Joby.
Ako muna na ng ate.
Tapos, sinong sunod?
Ate Bole and then ate Rosie.
Ah, laging right ako
Yeah.
na.
Diba na, yan.
Ikaw, si ate, tapos ako.
Tapos ako.
Magkari kayo, ha?
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready? 1.
Oh!
Go.
Hi!
Muna! Excited yan! Huwag ka ma-excite masyado, Ron! Two, three, go! Stay together, labas! Buang!
To get by with a smile, you can win it every
2, 3.
Ito tayo sa huling palagi.
You want to take the apple?
Babalik pa rin sa'yo
Yeah.
hanggang sa huling palagi. Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman.
You will say, don't come and go like you do. Swear my way, yeah, I need to know.
No, he did! Closer.
Eh, Milalina!
Oh, it's Ugaing.
Ugay! Ugay!
Ay, yung pareho.
Oo nga, magkabila. Sige na.
Oh, yeah.
Oh baby, tell me why you have to go. 'Cause this pain I'm feeling won't go away. And today I'm officially missing you.
Oh, ate, you have dimples.
You're just not in it.
You say every little thing you do. Hey baby,
He said, I heart apples.
Apples!
Oh, wow, apples. Apples.
Apples!
She said, wala ang apples.
Bakit? Screenshot mo din.
araw-araw na nakangiti. Ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mabilang ang ating mga tampo.
Hindi ako magpapicture sa iyo. Tagal! Hindi, ingay! Hindi, tatalis ako yung maganda. Wala naman pong video na. Video. Wala. Mali ang cameraman. Mali. Yan! Pinaykay na.
Ito tayo.
1, 2, 3. Oo nga, ganda dyan. Hindi, dito na ang nakasit na.
Pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huling palagi. Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man, nais kong lamang.